Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, we are gonna continue learning my 1 month Python course using ChatGPT bot. So let's start. Okay, so today the 6th day, and firstly, let's check my plan. Okay, here my plan, and the day number 6. The topic is dictionaries and sets. Understanding the dictionaries and sets, their operations and use cases. So what I'm gonna do is copy in this topic, and I'm gonna ask to provide information from ChatGPT bot. Okay. Okay, and I press on this green button. Okay, here we go. We are waiting for the reply. We are waiting that ChatGPT bot finish its reply. Okay. Okay. Let's zoom it in. Okay, day number 6, dictionaries and sets. Dictionaries and sets are two important data structures in Python that allows you to store and manipulate collections of data. In this topic, we'll explore dictionaries and sets, understand their operations, and discuss their various use cases. Let's dive into each of them. So point number 1, dictionaries. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key value pairs. They are also known as associative arrays or hash maps in other programming languages. Dictionaries are incredibly useful when you want to store data in a way that allows fast retrieval based on a unique key. The key in dictionary must be unique, and they are used to access the corresponding values. Okay, here's example. So how you can create a dictionary. Here we go. There is a name is a key, and John is a value. The string is a value. So key has to be unique. H is the key, and 21 is value. So it's a key value pair. Okay, accessing values in the dictionary. So you see how you can access dictionary by the key. This string is a key, the name, and the output you can see the value. And here in the example you see it's a key and value pair. And H as well, you know, it's a key for this key value pair. So the value is 21. So on the output you see the 21. Modifying values in the dictionary. So here how you can modify the key value pair. So before you see on this example, key is this string H and value is 21, and you on this example modify this key value pair, and then you see on the output the value changed to 22. So next one, adding a new key value pair. If you want to add a new key value pair, you can use this syntax. Okay, and if you print it here on the end, you see there is a new key value pair. Okay, next one is removing a key value pair. Dictionary is mutable data structure, so you can remove, modify, add a new data into dictionary. So if you want to remove a key value pair, you can see the syntax how you can do that. Okay, and then if you print this dictionary, you see that the key major, you cannot see this key because you delete it. Okay, and as you can see on the beginning we created a dictionary with this key value. Okay, dictionaries are commonly used when you want to map one value to another, store configurations, or represent entities with multiple attributes. Okay, point number 2, sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Unlike lists or tuples, sets do not allow duplicate values. Sets are useful when you need to perform mathematical operations like union, intersection, and difference of collection of items. Sets are mutable, meaning you can add or remove elements from them. Okay, you see there is example here how you can create a set. So we can create a set fruits, and inside these sets there are several strings: apple, banana, orange. And if you want to add elements to the set, you can use this method add. Okay, and you see here there is a grape, there is a new element. So if you want to remove elements from the set, you can use a remove method as well. So set operations, it's a union, intersection, differences. So union, okay, we have two sets, set A and set B. It's a union operation, union of sets A and B. So on the output you can see the set, it's a union of two sets A and B, and you see with only unique numbers because set A and set B have the same numbers, 3 and 4, and it's not duplicated on the union set. Second operation, it's an intersection of set A and B, and you see there is only two numbers, 3 and 4. It's only same numbers, which exist on the first set and second set. So and last one is a difference. So it's a difference of sets A and B, and you see here on the output you see the set of two numbers, 1 and 2. Why only 1 and 2? Because set A has same numbers like 3 and 4 with the set B, and only difference is 1 and 2, on this set. And we're talking about set A. We're not talking about set B because set B had the numbers 5 and 6. And if we have this operation differences B minus A, on the output we see 5 and 6. Okay, so sets can be used for various purposes, such as removing duplicates from a list, checking for membership, or performing set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Understanding dictionaries and sets along with their operation is crucial for effective data manipulation and solving various programming problems. They offer a powerful way to organize, access, and manipulate data in Python. So thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. See you on the next lessons.